Watch how they play. Watch how they play. Go! Go!
Win it!
Just run back, Brooke. Win it back. They're getting back, Annie. Good, Annie. Okay, getting in front of them, on their backs. Girls, on their backs. Haley, on her back, on her back. Do not let it be a passing option. On her back. Annie, on her back. On her back.
Now go, now go.
Even if they're all the way up on you,
Nice, Haley. Don't do that!
and trying to think like good building out that really paying attention. Like if they have numbers further up, then play it. I know.
Get it out of there! Get it back! Ready, honey? Stand on!
Dribble for a second. Dribble for a second.
Go, Kirk, go!
Got it,
Go!
Okay, that's us. Go. Hurry. Annie, come on up.
Push up, D-line, come on!
Emma, push up a bit. Just make sure don't try to pass the ball into pressure. Be on the other side of her.
Center, Addie. Stay with it. Good, Haley.
Good job, United, on them. First there.
Get in there.
Bring it down.
Nice, airball, let's go.
You okay, Hannah? That's not Hannah. Hannah's right here.
Do it again.
Haley.
Go. Go in.
Go to it, Eve.
Get on it.
Cross. There you go. Get up. There. Nice. Again.
Good ball, United, yeah. Girls, on their back. Emma, don't let her spin around you. Don't even get her the option to get the ball.
Haley! Yeah!
Good strike, Haley. Good strike, Haley.
Don't watch it. Go after it. Go after it, Haley. Don't watch it. Stay with her. Yeah. Good. Defense.
Do it now.
Yes, he is.
Yeah.
Good job, Hallie. Girls, read her body language. Where's she going with it? Mids, on somebody's back. Coming up the middle. Addie, come in tighter. You should be on the one that Hallie has. Hallie should be on the other one. Nice.
That's it. Get in there, Haley. Going on.
Good. Yeah. Go, Holly, go.
Let's keep it in their half. Hallie, watch the side. Hallie, the side.
Oh, good.
Come on, where's that cross option?
Good job, ladies.
Stay with it. Ooh. Again.
Good cover, Haley.
Good job there, Annie. Nice, good job. Our ball.
Brooke, make her run up. Remember, there's no offsides on
Our ball. Will be an option, Annie.
Oh!
Good play, girls.
On them. They do not get the pass. Where you going? Shift center, Brooke. Shift center.
Yeah!
Good shot, Hallie. Hey, eyes on the ball. Eyes on the ball. Don't worry about it. Just go.
Keep with it, Annie. Keep with it. Switch her, Amelia. Good job.
Good. Get in front of her, Annie. Get in front of her. Go side. Inside of it. Inside of it.
Middle, Haley, go! Oh, get up. It's a little bit.
It was a really good idea. Damn shame. Yeah. Yes, she is.
Yo!
Clearly offside. Annie, watch more of the center. Amelia, come wide. Come wide. Stay right on her. Right on her. Amelia, come more wide. Come more wide. Come more wide. Annie, behind her. Behind her, Annie.
Nice, Nala. Keep it going.
Switcher.
Good, Emma.
Switcher, Millie, take the mid.
Join the defensive line. Or Brooklyn in that line. Annie, up.
Work with her. Be there to...
Win it back. Win it back.
Good, Brooklyn.
Play.
So she and Hallie.
No, I'm not going back. I ran to get over. Good job.
Who's there?
Defensive line organized. Mids on someone.
Yeah, you got time.
Go, Brooklyn. Go, Brooklyn. Burner, burner, burner. Yes. Yes. That's ours. That's ours. That's ours.
Our ball. Good job, guys.
Go, go. Good job, Haley.
Get in. All right. Drop and cover. Let him over your head.
Mids getting back.
Win it in the mid. Win it in the mid.
It's like number 3, the flat one, isn't it?
Tight lines. Tight lines. Watch the open players.
Okay. Good hit. Skylar running. Skylar, turn.
Nice,
Good
babe.
turn, babe.
Come on, Skylar.
Go, Skylar. Burn it. Burn it. Burn it.
Nice, Skylar. Defense. Defense. You're too far. Too much of a gap, guys. Good job.
Now, turn and go.
You got time, Ace? Do it, guys. Do it. Stop watching. Go, 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 go.
Ball, battle, battle.
You win it.
Get in there, left foot.
Oh, you control that person. Brooklyn,
Win with it.
stay with her. Okay, good. Brooklyn, up. Watch one side. You're good.
Should. Don't let it over your head.
Defensive line. Hey, remember we talked about we're shifting over too far.
First two. Win it. Nice.
Walk behind you, Daisy, behind you. Good job, Annie. Amazing work, both of you.
You gotta look up. Okay, look out. Good. Get it back.
Oh, get on it. Let's go. Oh.
Okay, getting back. Defensive line, you're getting drawn over. Addie, more center. Let's get it out to the sides faster, ladies.
You gotta look up.
Amelia, take a second, get your head up, okay?
Yeah, let's do it. Good job, Brooklyn. Yeah, run through.
Watch each other.
There. Use some time, Addison.
Make sure you go to it aggressively. Brooklyn, defensive line.
Find the ball, Amelia.
Good job, United. Got it. Right in front of her. Right in front of her. Brooklyn, on her. On her back. On her back. Addie, on her back. They don't turn around you. Good.
D-line, push up. D-line, that's you.
Call for it and use it. Every time. Nice. Go. Go.
Well done, United. Addie.
Defensive line, push up. Emma, bring your line up. Emma, bring your line up.
Yeah.
Bailey, on her back. On her back.
Yeah.
First there. Run up, Addie. Run up.
Go.
Hold on here.
Nice. Good. Around him. Go around.
On them. Watch where she goes with it. Take away all options.
Yeah. Good. Good.
You're pressing against her. Don't let spin right. That's it. Go outside on the throw in. Go.
Defense, support.
Hold up.
Can they sub keepers on our going?
You got the same throwing. You got this.
Eli, come on.
Get on it, Addie. Yeah.
Mitch, getting back. Bailey, get in her way. Can you find her through the ball? Side, get on side.
She's quick, but she got this.
Go outside. Run. Got it, run.
Nice.
D-line up.
Defensive line, pushing up more. Defensive.
Sub.
Holla.
Win it, Baze. We need you.
What? Big old stick arm.
Two at Haley. Good.
Go!
Holly, look where she's going to pass it to. Now go.
There you go.
Ladies, up. Hey, up on the line, up on the line. Go, go, go.
Pressure, go.
Go, Brooklyn, go, Brooklyn. Get in front of it, get in front of it, get in front of it.
Until we can get you. Look at you, Brooklyn. Don't worry, just stick with it. Shut it down.
Good, Emma.
Let's go.
Go, Skyler, go.
Get in there.
Go, go, Brooklyn, go, Brooklyn, go.
You got time, you got time.
Yeah.
When we can,
Next up,
Brooklyn.
please,
When
next
we
up, please.
can, you gotta play till we can.
Push hard, dig deep, okay? On her back, on her back, on her back. On her back.
As soon as they let us, we got what?
Yeah. You got your stuff ready, just as soon as they tell us you can. What?
Who's up? She stepped out. Oh, handball. Outside down. It's a handball by keeper, so it's outside the box. Ask for space. So, yes, they can build the wall. Not that close, though. Nope. Ask for we get space. Thank you, sir. Why is that team right on? Get in tight. Get in there to score, girls. Get in there to score. Hallie, up to the last man. Brooklyn, up to the last man. Face, push in there. Get in there to score, guys. Go up, pick and score. Come on, guys.
Brooklyn. Right.
Way to tough it out, Brooklyn. Way to tough it out.
My spray bottle.
Hey, eyes on the ball, guys.
Come on, Bailey. Stay on it. Let's go. Off the middle. Brooke, you got this. Nice. Get on there with the go. Run. Yeah.
All right, United, bring it in.
Good job, guys.
Good job, girl.
Nice, base.
Good. Let's move it. There you go.
Where's your help? Get your head up. Where's your help at? Find a through ball. Go to the pass.
Win it back.
Eve, you gotta get back. Eve, you gotta get back.
Win it
Now.
back still, Baze. It's still you, girl.
Eve, get that back. In front of her. In
It's
front of her.
back. It's back. Make the walls, girls. We got 13 and 17 wide open.
Line up.
Look at number 17 wide open.
Yeah. She does a lot. Good job, Babe. Good, Abby.
Bailey, behind that ball.
Come on, watch out. Nice, son.
Eve and Bailey. Eve, the ball never gets behind you.
Hey, listen up. Girls, everyone listen. Girls.
Got time.
Give her a cross.
Where we at?
We're in the UYSA right now.
Where's your drop? Where's your help?
Yeah, Bailey, good. For your man. Track. Up. Yeah.
Get back. Net back.
Noah, 2 on.
Your defensive line. What is going on with your team, girl?
Cover. Don't let him over your heads.
On their back. On their back. Even Bailey, getting in tight on someone. Defensive line. You gotta stay organized. You're getting broken all over the place. Run, Haley, run. Haley, in front of her. Take Noah in front of the line. Okay, good. Defensive line, organizing again. Mid, wing, on someone.
I'm talking about the outdoors. The first team we played in was 2-1. They were playing.
Control it.
Good job.
Be an option.
Get her inside, Noah.
Pressure.
Find a through ball. Haley, run center. Okay, I need numbers up. Addie, Nala, Amelia. Don't let them split. You were breaking apart on that defense, okay?
Yeah.
Hey, getting back. Someone on 13's back right now.
On you.
Win that, Hallie. Win that. Good. On them. Take away all options. Hallie. Watch that. Okay, now getting back.
Watch out.
Who's your options?
Nice.
Go, Bailey, go.
Someone.
Why are you watching me? You gotta help him.
Outside?
Watch 13. We got numbers in the box.
Hallie, up. And you got left wing. Up.
There you go.
Oh, shoot it over.
Come on, Haley.
Okay, getting back. Defensive line, getting back, getting organized. Good job. Let's get it back again. Keep it in their half. Haley, stand center. If she plays short, you charge it. No, center, on the box, on the box. If she plays short, you charge it. On her back, babe. Annie, don't let her run behind you.
Wow. Oh, we won that. Let's go. There we go. Stay with us. Go, go, go. Nice. Fight, fight, Eddie.
Shake the line.
Man on behind you, man on to the side. Good. Good, babe. Win that, win that, win that.
Drew,
Go, Haley.
Yeah. Corner. Corner.
on your shoulder.
Go, girls.
Well, see if it's over there. Defensive line getting back and organized. Mids on their back. Mids, that ball should not ever get behind you. Emma, join the defensive line. Now go,
Pressure, Annie. You need to make a good team.
Oh.
Good job, Skylar. All right, spread them out. Spread them out. Come on, Daisy, do it. Nice hustle. Got Annie Central.
Good job, Haley. Good, Brooklyn. Bailey, on her back. Bailey, behind her. On her back means like standing against her back.
Ready for it. Get it, guys, get it.
Good, Brooklyn. Getting back, Brooklyn. Hey, launch for the punt.
Good hustle, Paige. Good hustle. Nice. you all day. You got this.
In front of that, Bailey. Get in front of that, Bailey. Get away. Mid, join that defensive line. Bailey, join that line. Join that line. Abby, join the defensive line. Good, good.
Wait, who am I calling out for right
Bailey, join the defensive line behind Noah.
Good job, Annie. Go two. You got time. Drew, get it through. Got through.
Please run up. Run center. Good ball.
Good job, guys. Great job.
Hey. Holly, in the box. In the box.
Emma,
Eve, take it.
Emma, send her. Into this space. Send Noel into the space.
No, up here.
And you stay on.
Holly, towards the box.
Really drop and cover.
Good, Emma. Good,
Good
Emma.
job. Here's second ball, guys.
Here comes that pass. Watch your
We got 13 wide open.
Someone use 13. Haley, on her back.
Get it back. Good job, Keith.
Keith, stay on side. Holly, go wide. Turn the ball. Turn it back. Haley, in front of that. He's going to try to make that run in between. You're not going to make that run. Get in front of that. Get in front of her. 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 Clear it up. Clear it. Clear it. Get it out of there.
Come on, pressure that now.
Get in front of her, Haley. Get in front of her. Shut her down.
Good job, Skylar.
Tyler, how can we keep possession of it?
First two, come on. Good job,
Tyler, take it. Here. Eve, run. No offsides on throw and run. Watch.
Come on, fill this space, defense.
Eve, you don't need to worry about staying on side.
You guys gotta come support.
I will. Where's my other center mid?
Nice, Howie. Get it through. There we go.
Go, Brooklyn, go. Talk to each other.
Great through. Who said that to you? Howie? Good through ball,
Hallie,
Howie.
Hallie, great ball. wide option.
Go. Nice, Eve. Get that, Brooklyn. D, drop, D. Get your line. Good job, girls. Nice moves, Brooklyn.
Eve, center of that box. What's your job right now? Emma, on her back.
Get that.
Get in front of that, Nala. Get in front of that.
On their shoulder.
Good, Nala. Bailey, do not let her take a shot. Annie, on her. Watch out, center. Watch that cross.
Go, guys, go, go, go.
Go,
Good
Eve.
ball,
Go,
good
Eve.
ball.
Yeah. Nice. Again.
Good idea. Good idea. Can we get to it? Can we get to that?
Win it back, bitch.
Good,
Good
Nala.
job, Noah. Get on her shoulder now. Shoulder now.
Yeah. Come on.
Good, Sky. Run center, Haley, run center. Haley, go center. Go, Eve, go, Eve, go. Go, Haley, get in front of that.
Keep.
Good, got it. Find your options. Find your options. United, can you spread them out?
Body it.
Defensive miss, getting back.
Getting goal side, guys. Getting goal side. Pressure.
We get it back now.
Get these passes to count. Set up your teammates to win.
Oh. Go. Yeah.
Run, Haley, run center.
Yeah. Look there, go. Yeah. Keep it open here. Watch it over now.
Good job, girls.
Go. Let's go. Hurry. Give her a good pass. Haley, you are right in the middle of three defenders.
Stay in front of it.
Eve, it's a drop. Go.
Pressure.
Mids, getting back. Bailey, you gotta get behind that ball.
Punch it out the other way. There you go. Hold on. Yeah, go, go, go.
Nice.
Hallie, Haley, trade. Hallie, Haley, trade. Haley, take the left. Hallie, left wing, Haley. Haley, left center mid. Getting back, getting back, getting back, Haley, getting back. Good. That's ours. Go, go, go. Good job. Over their head, over their head.
How do you win? Go win! Come on, babe.
Come on, pressure. We got like minutes. Keep. Get fired up, United.
Come on, we got some time. Let's go. Watch him work it out. Get it out of there. Go on, go. Watch out for slipping.
Gather on, gather on.